In this video, we are going to learn to build a program to calculate area of a trapezoid. So first we'll find out equation to calculate area of a trapezoid. We identify inputs from that and then we build a program to get the output. Let us get first the area of a trapezoid. So area of a trapezoid is base multiplied by another base. Sorry, it's a plus b divided by 2 multiplied by height. And here we can also kind of do the testing. Let's say if this is 10, this is 50, height is 20, then output should be 600. That is what we will use. So to start with, first our goal. This program is to calculate area of a trapezoid. What is going to be the input? Input is going to be a base, b base, and third one is height. Three things. We can write equation also just for reference. Equation is a plus b divided by 2 and multiply by height. That's the equation. Now the output is going to be output is area of trapezoid. Let us take an example. Input example. We just tried over here. If a is equal to 10, b equal to 50, and height equal to 20, then the output we are expecting is around 600. So let us do our own calculation. So a plus b is 10 plus 50 divided by 2 and then multiply by height, that is 20. So that is the 600 we are expecting. Now let us build a program to do that. So the input is 3 input. A is equal to, again this can be fraction, so it's float input, enter a, and b equal to float input, enter b, h equal to float input, enter h. Now our equation, the area of a trapezoid equal to a plus b divided by 2 multiplied by h. Now this is where our PEMDAS we have to apply, because if we do not do PEMDAS, then how would Python execute? So Python is going to execute multiplication first, so it's going to do the 2 multiplied by h and then it is going to apply the other PEMDAS. So to solve that, we need to apply a proper PEMDAS equation. So we want to do a plus b first, so that is why parenthesis. Then because the multiplication will be taken precedence, we want to do again parenthesis, so that the Python will do first a plus b, then divide by 2, and then it will do multiplication. And the output is calculated, and here we can say print f, and we are going to say area of a trapezoid equal to curly brackets, and here we are say for a equal to a, b equal to b, and c equal h equal to h, and this is where we will complete our code. And now we run it. So enter a, if we enter 10, b is 50, then h is 20, then we are expecting output as 600, and here we can see that it is printing the values. So that is how we calculate area of a trapezoid using Python. Now let us take another example. We took one example from Google. Now we can try another values. We can say 265, the b is 987, and h is 300. Now what would be the expectation? We can calculate here, which is going to be a is 265 to, okay, here resetting it, 265 plus 987 divided by 2 multiplied by height is 300. So 187 800 we are expecting, and here if we put output 187 800, so our program is working. Thank you.